From the mountains high we rise, where the strong winds touch the skies. Hear the roar of Cabirenymus, hearts of fire, brave and fearless. With the river guiding forward, and the spirit of the gorilla strong, we stand together side by side. This is where we all belong. SC Volcanoes. We play with passion, we play with pride. See limits in us. There are no limits on our side. From the valleys to the peaks, our victory is what we seek. SC Volcanoes, forever rising, never weak. Golden ball and burning flame, every match we claim our name. Hear the crowd, they sing it loud. Volcanoes marching strong and proud. When the battle shakes the ground, we hold the line, we stand our ground. Unity in every stride, Volcano spirit will not hide. SC Volcanoes, we play with passion, we play with pride. Say the limit, Canos. There are no limits on our side. From the valleys to the peaks, our victory is what we seek.